the 2009 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.